If you've ever welded tube-to-tube sheet joints in heat exchangers, condensers, or boilers, you know it's not just a job, it's a precision challenge. Poor alignment, inconsistent penetration, and weld defects can mean costly rework, equipment downtime, and even complete project delays. And when you're working with stainless steel, titanium, copper nickel, or other exotic alloys, the stakes are even higher. That's exactly why TATE developed the tube-to-tube sheet orbital welding machine, an advanced, automated TIG welding system designed specifically for high-precision tube-to-tube sheet applications. Whether you're in the power generation industry, petrochemical plants, pharmaceutical manufacturing, HVAC, or food and beverage processing, this machine is built to deliver perfect welds every single time. Our orbital welding head is engineered for 360-degree automated TIG welding, ensuring uniform penetration, consistent bead appearance, and zero leaks. The TATE system automatically controls arc start, weld speed, shielding gas flow, and rotation, removing human error and delivering repeatable, world-class weld quality. Each weld is smooth, clean, and contamination-free, meeting ASME, ISO, and GMP standards for critical applications. The TATE tube-to-tube sheet orbital welding machine is compatible with a wide range of tube materials: stainless steel, duplex steel, titanium alloys, Inconel, copper nickel, and carbon steel, making it the perfect all-in-one solution for diverse industrial needs. One of the biggest challenges in orbital welding is setup time and operator training. With TATE's user-friendly interface, pre-programmed welding parameters, and intuitive controls, even less experienced operators can produce flawless welds from day one. Our system also features quick change collets and clamping systems, allowing rapid adjustments for different tube diameters without complex retooling. Time is money in industrial manufacturing, and the TATE tube-to-tube sheet orbital welding machine is designed to cut production time by up to 300% compared to manual TIG welding. Fewer rejects, reduced rework, and consistent cycle times mean higher throughput and lower labor costs, while ensuring the highest quality output. In industries where traceability is critical, our machine offers full weld data logging. You can record, store, and review every weld parameter, perfect for client documentation, quality audits, and certification compliance. This not only proves your quality standards but also builds trust with your customers. The TATE tube-to-tube sheet orbital welding machine is already used worldwide in power plant condensers, petrochemical and refinery heat exchangers, pharmaceutical-grade shell and tube systems, HVAC chillers, desalination plants, food and beverage heat treatment systems. Our welding heads are compact enough to fit into tight spaces inside tube bundles, while the robust build ensures long-term durability in harsh industrial environments. Every component is engineered to withstand continuous operation, giving you years of reliable service with minimal maintenance. At TATE, we don't just sell machines, we provide complete solutions. From on-site installation and training to remote technical support and OEM/ODM customization, our team is committed to helping you succeed. We understand that every project is unique, so we can tailor welding heads, fixtures, and programs to your exact specifications. Stop struggling with inconsistent welds, high scrap rates, and production delays. Upgrade to the TATE tube-to-tube sheet orbital welding machine and experience the difference: greater precision, higher productivity, and unmatched reliability. Contact us today at info@oaktate.com to learn how we can transform your welding process. With TATE, perfection is not an option, it's the standard.
Worried about distortion or burn-through when welding thin-wall heat exchanger tubes? The TATE orbital welding machine provides low heat input, high-precision welding, perfect for compact and high-efficiency exchangers. With 30-plus years of expertise and reliable machine performance, we help you cut costs and raise standards. Let us show you how automation can improve your welding results. Contact TATE today.
Are you facing frequent quality issues with tube-to-tube sheet welding and heat exchangers? Manual methods often result in misalignment, undercut, and porosity, leading to costly rework and leakage. The TATE Orbital Welding machine delivers computer-controlled, full-penetration welds with zero defects. It's your best choice for stainless steel, titanium, and other critical materials. Talk to TATE now and ensure your heat exchangers meet the highest industry standards.
Need precise, clean welds for your compact heat exchanger designs? TATE's orbital system handles tight spaces with unmatched accuracy. Let's optimize your welding process. Contact us now.